My name is Douglas Miranda from the Miranda Rights Law Firm. The types of cases that we handle are all types of criminal cases, from very small cases such as petty theft, DUI, domestic violence, all the way to murder, kidnap, rape, and child molestation cases. We handle all types of criminal cases, and we handle them from the very beginning, from the arraignment stage to the pretrial stage, and all the way through the jury trial stage. I also handle juvenile cases. The reason why you need a lawyer to represent you in a criminal case is because, number one, the system is very complex. There's oftentimes a lot of different things that are going on that the regular person won't know or understand. And you also need an attorney that has experience to know how to handle your case, who to have your case in front of, who is the prosecutor that's going to be handling your case, the judge, and how the criminal process works. The Miranda Rights Law Firm is classified as a small firm here in Los Angeles. The advantages of having that is that you work hand in hand with me. After speaking and setting up an appointment with my assistant, I will be the attorney that will be handling your case. I will be the one that's going with you to court. I will be the one visiting your loved one in jail if that's the circumstances. I'm also the one doing the jury trial. Everything here at the Miranda Rights Law Firm is directly done with me, and it's personalized. Sometimes when people hire larger firms, they have one attorney that represents them at one point, then there's another point that they have a different attorney, or sometimes they're not able to communicate with somebody that is directly handling the case at that moment. Having a smaller firm gives you the advantage to have that one-on-one relationship with me and also with my staff. The type of relationship that I develop with my client, first and foremost, is a very professional relationship. But secondly, most importantly, is also a very communicative relationship. We are often able to communicate in every different kind of format, from text, email, phone call, but we also take the time to visit the client in the jail, set up meetings with clients, and you will be fully informed as to what's going on in your case at all times. So the relationships end up being personal because of the fact that we work so closely. I have won several mentionable cases. Specifically, I have the unique history of winning complete acquittals on 3 separate murder cases, among other different types of cases, such as child molestation, DUI, domestic violence, assaults, and robbery are cases that I have taken to trial and have successfully won and gotten an acquittal for my clients. I have a vast experience in handling all sorts of criminal cases, but what really sets me apart from many other attorneys is that I will take a case to jury trial. I have over 130 jury trials that I have conducted and taken to trial. I also have the experience of handling death penalty cases. A criminal charge will significantly affect your immigration status. Depending on the type of crime is how will it affect, but then also depending on the status of that person. It is very important that you have a criminal defense attorney that knows exactly how to handle your criminal case in conjunction to the effects of your immigration status and how that case will affect your immigration case. What you can expect in your initial consultation is that you will meet with me personally. I will be discussing your case. I will be reviewing what your potential risks are, what your defenses are. I can also often tell you who is the district attorney assigned to your case, who is the judge assigned to your case, but most importantly, I will also be discussing what the costs are.